making a video for you it's because we couldn't go down that deep. So what we did, we went ahead and made the cement nice and wide. Or this one's not as wide right here. We made that one down there twice as wide. So the cement will hold. So another problem that you might run into is with the original stud. For it might be in cement. These ones were. So the contractor who put up the fence, he put them in cement, but the studs went ahead and rotted out is because he used pressure treated wood. If you would have used pressure treated wood and put them inside the cement, they would still be there. So he didn't use pressure treated wood. He just used regular wood, so they rotted out. Another weird thing that happened was, you never know until you get into it. Really weird thing that happened was, this right here is a bush, a rose vine bush on his side. And what happened was, down here at the bottom, the rose vine bush, it grew up into the wood and it rooted. Because it was like totally rotten. So we just cut the 4x4 and cut that vine and then over. Because what happened was, there's so much cement down there, and if you don't have a jackhammer, sometimes it's better to just go ahead and cut the beam, and then just go ahead and slide the whole fence over. Repair a fence, and everything that could go wrong went wrong, but not really like really bad or anything like that. It's just that Pops fell down and bumped his head and phone ran out. But here we go. So to repair a fence, see this fence post right here, go ahead and you can see the fence just leaning a little bit right here in the middle, because we need to put a beam on that. Put a beam on that, it'll be perfectly fine. I'm just going to go ahead and drop that beam down there and I just slide it on over. If you look on this side, the fence is nice and straight. But if you look on this side over here, the fence needs to be pulled over. See what I'm talking about? See how you get that little bend right there? Yep, now you can see it. You can see it leaning. We'll go ahead and put the posts in there. Now, when you go ahead and you do that, you want to use a post digger. A post digger to make it easier. You want to use one of these right here. Here's a post digger. If you got the money, just go ahead and rent it's a big like drill. With nut and washer. I'm talking about. If you want to preserve your fence and get really long life out of it, you can go ahead and get old motor oil. Get old motor oil and go ahead and paint your fence with old motor oil. It looks really good. It's nice and dark and black, and the water will just bead right off it, and it will preserve your fence for a long time. When we had a house, so yeah, so fence repairing is something that you're going to run into because you never know what happens. same time, I mean, it ain't gonna cost you thousands of dollars. You ain't gonna have to use your insurance to do it, you know. So if you use your insurance, you're gonna have to pay a premium, and the insurance goes up, you know. That sucks. And he threw in a couple bucks too, you know, which was really, really nice. I really appreciate that. You know, a long time, almost like 6 hours, 8 hours, because we ran it. You never know what's gonna happen when you start digging. And with the cement. But you know, that's just the name of the game. Groups and stuff, you know. I know we have like a neighborhood handyman repair group on our Facebook over here in our town. You know, and place it for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put in all the materials that you need. Where you get them at the Home Depot, and you'll know exactly what you need. And you know, and I thank you for coming out, giving me a second chance to redeem myself with this video. It's not that long, because you know why? Because it's nothing to it. It's really nothing to it. So thanks a lot, guys, for coming out. I appreciate it. This is Mario, the speaker. You truth for your trust, honesty for your loyalty, and that's my pledge to you. If you guys want to collaborate, if you guys want to send in a video because you don't have time to make a video, well, I mean, you have time to make a video, but you don't have time to make your own channel, well, go ahead and send in my video, and I'll tell you what, I'll give you 50%. And, I'll post a video on my channel, and we can do the paperwork and everything, so you're protected and get your money, and that could be some reused content, because I plan on doing this for years. I mean, years. I plan on doing this. You know, as long as I can, I'm going to do this. Because I really enjoy it, and I really enjoy, you know, helping you guys out and bringing you. If there's anything that you would like me to do some research and make a video for you, I'd be glad to do that. Be specific and let me know, and I'll get right on it. Hey, you know what? You guys are awesome. Please, if you found any value in this, like, subscribe, and share, comment. I mean, I'm really having a hard time interacting with my community. I know you guys are out there watching me, but I got a lot of views and stuff, a lot of good hours, but I need to engage with you guys. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Tell me what I'm doing right. Tell me what you like, what you don't like. I mean, I'd be glad to do the best I can to communicate with you guys. There's the dogs right there. Cute for the dogs. That's a little bomber. And that's Mika. Alright, I'll finish up this video for you and have it out for you by tonight. Take care, guys. One love.